welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you for tuning in today. If you're new here, you're welcome. I'm outside the compound today, okay? I believe this is your first day of seeing outside the house. I'm always inside. So thank you for tuning in today. If you're new here, you're welcome. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for stopping by. In today's video, Hubby decided to do a barbecue, guys. Hubby decided to do a barbecue for us, and I'm happy. At least I will document. I'll get content to post for you guys. So stay tuned and watch if you want to see how we do suya here in Nigeria. Okay, the local way. It's actually the local way. Okay, stay tuned and enjoy. At the end of this video, if you like it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Subscription is free, oh please. Subscription is free, okay? Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Click the like the button if you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to give it leave a comment down below, okay? Thank you so much, guys. Let's get into the video. For the ingredients, we have marinated meat, we have tomatoes and scotch bonnet, we have onions, we have sausage, salt, liquid maggi, and this is the yaji, suya spice, and oil. So that's it. So quick update, guys. At this point, as you can see, they're trying to lit up the charcoal fire, guys. The struggle is real, okay? My husband has been trying. As you can see, they even smiling, okay? The man in blue came to assist my husband in lighting up the charcoal. He was even explaining that he grew up in the village, so they used to such stuff and the rest, and it was not easy. It was not easy. My husband kept trying and trying, but at the end of the day, I think they got it okay with the help of this elderly man. So guys, if you want to see the step-by-step way, how to make suya, you know just keep on watching, okay? You'll be entertained. So this is a basic, like, a day in the life in quarantine. So enjoy. was crazy, guys. Can you just see the beauty outside? The beauty outside here. You want to see my house? You really want to see my house? You really want to see my house? Let me give you guys a sneak peek. This is my house, like, I'm not doing normal review, okay? So back to the barbecue, guys. Back to the barbecue, guys. So this is basically a day in my quarantine life, okay? There's nothing much. Wake up, cook, eat, um, sleep. Actually, try to find ways to be productive, and I keep searching for ways to, make my YouTube channel better. Okay, I'm investing in my channel. I'm doing a whole lot. Okay, so you guys should, I'm giving you hot spots. Okay, here at least I'll try my best. Okay, I know it's not easy. Growing a channel is not easy. My husband is a one in black top, and his friend helping him out. Me, my own is the rest.
You may want to get fork and start changing those ones.
Okay.
The fire is less here on this side.
Yeah. Okay, so at this point they had to put a foil paper under so they could get the juice of all the meat. Okay, so this is better. At the end of this suya, you can see the juice is already under, so the foil paper will help retain it, and then you won't have your the taste of the meat gone already. So doesn't this look me? Thumbs up to Hubby. That's very lovely. And then now for it to cook well, we're closing it, so this will help it cook well. So if you're in Nigeria, you know that this is a drum. Okay, all this aluminium drum, and this is the setting. So nice one. We'll come back to revisit it when it's ready. Yep, yep. So they just came and they turn it over, and this is what it looks after turning. See this whole goodness. See this whole goodness, guys. See this whole goodness. And then close. You close it. So that's the update for now. I will still come back to show you what the final look looks like. So let me go in right now. A day in our quarantine life.
Yeah. I think it's done now.
So Hubby even confirmed it himself. I don't have to. Sorry, I don't have to talk. It's done already. So he did a nice job. And the sizzle.
Like that.
Okay. So barbecue for everyone is ready. Okay. So after here, I'll be ending the video. Okay. So everyone will basically eat. You don't want to say everyone. Everybody's mouth eating. Okay. So I'll be ending the video here. So thank you so much for watching. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to leave a comment down below. Thank you so much guys for watching, and please tell Hubby he did a nice job. Okay, leave a comment down below. Thank you guys. Bye.